In this video, I'm gonna show you my realistic Upwork side hustle and how I was able to make over $30 per hour as a complete beginner. And yes, I really don't put as much effort as I would like to here on Upwork. And right away, I'm gonna tell you my results are a little bit above reality for beginners. But I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did to get started with the right foot. Really in future, I'm gonna speak everything. And trust me, Upwork can really change your online career as a freelancer. The first thing I want to say is that I'm not special. I started on Upwork because I wanted to make some money online, just like you that is watching this video right now. And the only thing I had to get started was my skills. I know how to edit videos just like this one, and I speak two languages. Brazilian Portuguese is my native language and English. And that's everything I had. I didn't buy any course, neither found out about any secrets here on Upwork. There is no secret. Although I'm gonna tell you right now things that can really help you out if you're just getting started. Most people that watch videos like this, they want to make money online and they want right now. They want to live their 9 to 5, they are unemployed, they want to make some extra cash. And that's great, you need to have that drive within you. But one side collateral is that most people get too anxious to understand the platform. Upwork is really simple to understand. The first thing you need to do is create a high quality profile. You need to add everything you can inside your profile, especially a presentation video just like this one. You need to fill out all your details, insert testimonials, certifications, employment history, other experiences, and everything else. The problem is that a lot of people, a lot of new freelancers, newcomers here on Upwork, they start on the platform and they don't complete their profile. They come up with poor titles, with bad keywords. I'm gonna be honest, the description of most beginners here on Upwork, they suck. They don't add presentation videos, they don't add portfolio, and they just want to get the job. And then they come up right here, find any kind of project, and this is the second biggest mistake. It is not as simple as just finding projects here. As you can see in my screen, there are a lot of projects. Finding projects here on Upwork is usually never the problem. Hundreds of projects are posted every single second here on Upwork. But to find the right project for you, it takes some time. You need to understand how it works. You need to understand how many connects it takes. You need to check out if your client is payment verified, how many good reviews they have, whether they have bad reviews or not. You need to understand that not every single project is good to send proposals. Some projects, they have little to none explanation of what they want from you, so you might get yourself in a bad project. There are projects with a lot of competition, for example this one right here. So most beginners profiles suck. They don't know how to find projects here on the platform. They also don't know how to use the filters. Yes, exactly. Here on Upwork, they have filters. You need to understand how these filters work. It is not as simple as type video editor and scroll down trying to find good projects for you. Every single section with the experience level, job type, fixed price, hourly rate, number of proposals, the filters matter a lot. And especially the biggest mistake of them all. This is the biggest one. Let's suppose you like this project right here. I'm gonna click on the project. Let's suppose you think this project is good for you. I'm gonna click here in apply now, and here it comes the biggest mistake of them all: submitting a proposal. Most beginners, they have no idea of what a good proposal is. They just go on ChatGPT and ask for proposal templates, just like I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT right now, make me a proposal template to get video editing jobs. And then they come here, copy everything, go to the proposal and paste here, and then click and send for 18 connects. It doesn't take a lot of skills to send good proposals, but it's not as simple as just writing something here and ask for a project. So if you have no idea of what to do, go on YouTube and ask for Upwork best proposals. Then some good videos are gonna show up for you, and then you can get to learn of what a good proposal is. If you don't take these steps, create a high quality profile, learn how to find the best projects for you and how to use the filters, and learn how to send the best proposals, you never have results here on Upwork, especially because you have a limited number of connects available for you. Right now I have available for me 151 connects, but as a beginner you should have a lot less than this. So if you spend all your connects here on Upwork without understanding how the platform works, you're not gonna get projects and you're gonna lose all your connects. You're gonna need to buy more. So understand all these 3 steps I just showed you, and And if you want my help with that, click in the link below. There are some things I can help you with. You can get in touch with me. Hopefully I can help you out. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more. I'm gonna give you more details on how Upwork works. A lot of tutorials how to create the best profiles, send the best proposals. As always, much love, and I see you in the next one.